everybody, this is Scott from Tours of Cleveland. I just want to give you guys an update as to where we are right now based off Governor DeWine's press conference that was held on Monday, April 27th. We do not have a reopen date, so we do feel we fall in that group of businesses that are kind of on hold at the moment. So we are still waiting to find that out. But I do want to let you guys know that we will be reopening, and we are very excited to get back out on the streets and share our love for Cleveland with you guys. I also want to use this as an opportunity to remind everybody that we do have our sale going on for our gift vouchers. Specifically, it is for Mother's Day. So if you are looking for a fun and unique, different gift idea to give mom, why not consider a gift voucher for one of our walking tours? The vouchers are good for 2 years. So any tour, anytime, you can purchase as many as you like there. So maybe the whole family's going on a tour, or it's just mom and her significant other, but something different and something fun. Our gift vouchers can be purchased on our website, toursofcleveland.com, and if you use promo code MOM20, that's MOM20, you can save 20% on our vouchers right now, and that sale goes through May 6th. So definitely worth checking out, and everything's right there online. We do want to remind you guys too that we are going to start up our trivia again tomorrow. So we're pretty excited about that. We've done that in the past. That's gone pretty well. We're going to do it a little different this time, but stay tuned on our social media channels here and check out our trivia. Please stay safe and take care. Bye-bye.